Hi guys, welcome to another episode in crypto trading. We got a good one today. In today's video, we have some exciting content lined up, which include what are trading bots, something new, tips for setting up bots. If you new into this, stay tuned. And then I'm going to share the full setup and details of one of my bots, which makes an average 109% per month with the proof. Alrighty, let's dive into it. What are trading bots? Trading bots are computer programs that can automatically execute trades on your behalf based on certain rules or strategies. What are the key advantages of using them? Speed and efficiencies. Trading bots can execute trades faster and more efficiently than human traders, allowing them to take advantage of markets opportunities in real time and make timely decisions. Big one is elimination of emotions. Bots operate based on pre-programmed rules and algorithms, eliminating the impact of human emotions on trading decisions. This helps to reduce the risk of emotional biases and irrational decisions, which can lead to losses. They can trade 24/7 without missing any market opportunities or getting tired or having to sleep. Backtesting and optimization, which is a big one as well. Trading bots can be tested and optimized using historical data to fine-tune their strategies and improve their performance. As each bot runs on fixed rules and without emotions, it is very easy to replicate the program and test it on different markets, time frames, etc. This allows traders to identify and eliminate any weaknesses in their trading strategies and maximize the returns over time. So overall, trading bots are a good addition to your trading toolbox to generate passive income. Now, if you're new to trading bots or a veteran, but here I wanted to share some tips to successfully set up bots. Step one, pick your bot operating platform. There are a lot of different platforms out there to run and operate trading bots on. Most important, pick the platform you feel comfortable with and is easy to understand. I personally use 3Commas, but I heard good things about Ultrady as well. Pick your currency pair and time frame. Important to stick to one pair and time frame for testing purposes. Keep in mind, the smaller the time frame you go, the riskier the setup is going to be. I personally would start with 4 hours, but don't go any less than 1 hour with any trading bots. Pick your trading strategy. What do you want the bot to do, which is important. This is no different to manual trading. You need to know what and under what conditions you want the bot to execute a trade and when to close a trade. Make sure you are clear on that so you can teach the bot and program him correctly. Most important step of the whole thing, backtesting, backtesting, backtesting. This is the most important part, and it's important you test the hell out of your strategy over different time frames, bear markets, bull markets, over the past to make sure it's solidly working. If you're getting good results, then you move on and go on to paper trading. And my recommendation would be to run the bot on a live environment in the paper trading account for a minimum of 4 weeks. Because all backtesting is great, but you want to make sure your bot performs in a real trading environment and doesn't have any issues or problem before you deal with real money. Once that comes back positive as well, and everything looks good, and the backtesting and paper trading, your bot is good to go. Go live on your real account, but make sure you start with small amounts before you ramp it up. And most importantly, there is no bot to set and forget. Always keep an eye on it, depending on the market conditions. That's important. "109% return of investment a month not possible," you say. Yes, it is. And I will share here how it's done so you can replicate it at home on whatever boot platform you're using. Please know that I have not picked these settings randomly, and they're the result of months of hard work and backtesting and paper trading. What depends on the success of these bots? Most importantly, you have to pick a trading pair which is volatile and has lots of ups and downs over short periods of time. That means the high swing lows allows the bot to recover under the DCA strategy and execute with small profits. Here are the settings I come up with after lots of back testing and pipe trading. Note that I have this pair live on my account since January 23, and so far it's going fantastic. Now let's have a quick look into the settings here. It's Matic USDT. Time frame I'm running it on is 1 hour. It's a DCA long strategy. Importantly, the starting condition makes a big difference to the success of your bot. I'm using a stochastic RSI with a starting condition below 21. But please note when you set it up, you got to change the default setting of the stochastic indicator to the length 10. Buy order size 500 USD, safety order 20, number of safety orders 10. And then based on the deviation safety order volume, it's important that you set up under quick successes so the bot is fairly aggressive and goes in and buys within short drops to pretty much keep up with the average price, and then take profit condition 1.2%, which is fairly small. As I said, the 109% is possible due to the leverage. I'm running it under futures account with 25x. That means total required capital leveraged is only $565. But please note that I don't offer guarantees on future returns. I'll usually go back monthly to retest and if required tweak settings on my bots if required. Nothing is static, and hence you don't think you can set your bot and forget about it. Bots are a great addition and make life a lot easier, but with anything, it requires ongoing maintenance. So if you decide to copy my settings, please do so, but on your own risk. Here, I just wanted to share proof of some of the live results, which are recorded over the 3C tools. The average daily return is around $20 over the last 30 days. Due to leverage and the capital invested, which is $564, it has made me $943 and a monthly return of 109% over the last 30 days. Impressed? Here, I'm just sharing a track record of the weekly gains since I set this bot live on my real account. And as you see, the bot hasn't skipped the beat. Obviously, heavily dependent on the market volatility. Obviously, more volatility means more profits. All right, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I really hope you enjoyed this content. Let me know if you want me to share more information about trading bots or tested strategies of mine. As I said, I use them a fair bit. More than happy to do so if it provides value to you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends so they can also benefit from it. In case you're new here and you missed the previous trading setup tutorial series, click up here on the right to get straight to it. We'll be back next week with some new content, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss it. See you in the next one. Bye.